Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about slack and surplus variables. The term slack applies to less than or equal constraints, and the term surplus applies to greater than or equal constraints. If a constraint is binding, then the corresponding slack or surplus value will equal 0. The units of the slack or surplus values are the same as the units of the corresponding constraints. Let's see the costume manufacturing problem. As I mentioned that there is only less than sign used, so we use a slack variable. Maximize z equals 299x plus 249y. Subject to the constraints, 7x plus 8y less than or equal to 500. And 2x plus 4y less than or equal to 600. Where x and y are non-negative quantities. Let's add new variables, say alpha and beta respectively. It is called a slack variable. This type of problem can be written as follows. Maximize z equals 299x plus 249y, plus 0 times alpha, plus 0 times beta. Subject to the constraints, 7x plus 8y, plus alpha, equal to 500. And 2x plus 4y, plus beta, equal to 600. Where x, y, alpha, and beta are non-negative quantities. Just keep in mind that we put 0 for adding extra variables. On the other hand, animation technology problem uses greater than or equal to sign, uses surplus variable. The sign is likely to be negative. The problem was first written as follows. Minimize z equals 6.99x plus 13.99y. Subject to the constraints, 2x plus 2y greater than or equal to 150. And 4x plus 5y, greater than or equal to 130. Where x and y are non-negative quantities. Same way we put alpha and beta, we get the problem as follows. Minimize z equals 6.99x plus 13.99y plus 0 alpha plus 0 beta. Subject to the constraints, 2x plus 2y minus alpha, equal to 150. And 4x plus 5y minus beta, equal to 130. Where x, y, alpha, and beta are non-negative quantities. This topic you know about slack and surplus variables. Like, comment, and subscribe now.